So what do we have here? It's the wedge from Valentino Garavani. These ones are really nice. I think this is like sort of cloth, something like that. So it is really nice. I've worn this before. It's really comfy and it's true to size. And the color is like powdered pink turning to purple, nude, something like that. And it's really good and nice, and since it's wedge, it tends to be really comfortable and give you extra height. So this one I would rate like 10. I am really surprised by, let me just move a little bit closer. So this one I would give it like 10. I was very surprised, and also the other wedge, and just check out my page as well because right now they're having a private sale. So I would just say that these shoes are like super nice, and picture doesn't really give justice, as you can see to my other video or review of the other wedge from Valentino. Like these shoes, when it's on the videos or pictures posted on the internet by the models, it's like, oh, it's so nice, but it's for the models. But when you wear it as well, it's like it kind of gives you this kind of vibe when you wear, and gives you extra confidence. And that's the whole idea of luxury items and good products, to give you a little bit more of confidence, or for you to be able to be confident of what you're wearing. And it really symbolizes who you are. And like I say, it also gives you this kind of different image depending on what you're going to be wearing. So these ones are the Valentino wedge True Tone, I think it's called. So yes, I hope you like it. And these ones, even though you're not very onto wedges or onto high heels, I would give it a try, because me as well personally, I'm not onto like heels, but this one really gives me comfortable feels when I wore it. And yeah, it's really nice, and the color as well, you could combine it with a lot of stuffs. So yeah, so tune in for the video of the unboxing of this baby, so you could see the full details of every corner of it. And I hope you like it, and since it's summer, it's really gonna be quite cool. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video. Give it a like, share, and also push down the bell button so like that you could be updated on the next vlogs that I will be doing. And also please follow my Instagram account, newshoppy23. And yes, I was saying, tune in for more videos, and also feel free to browse on the Instagram account that I have, newshoppy23. And also if you have any further questions or any requests, any vlogs or something that you want me, or any item that you want me to do unboxing, I would freely and gladly to do so. And also just comment down below everything, any questions regarding all the luxury stuff that you want to try or you wanted me to give a review. So thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you again next time on my next vlog. Thank you, bye.
Saw your picture